So what changes did you make from a diet and lifestyle perspective, and including like working out? I mean, I know that we talked a lot because we worked together, so I was trying to provide as much advice and insight as possible. And I always tell Audrey, and I always tell our other clients, like the minute that you want to have a good body and be healthy is the minute that you will start to have those things. And so some of this ends up being like prioritizing, right? Like maybe it's going to a workout class on a Friday night instead of happy hour, or making health the initial priority. So what did you change, to sort of start the ball rolling in terms of lifestyle and diet change?
I mean, I will say at the beginning of it all, like I didn't think that I needed to change anything, that like if I just added in this stuff, then like things would start to happen, but that like wasn't the case. So really what I did was just like strip away everything else in my life and like put working out first. And then I could do whatever it was else that I wanted to do. But like, for instance, on a Tuesday night, and old me would have like wanted to go to dinner, have drinks with my friends, and then probably go home, chill out and go to bed. And then when I realized I want to start getting in shape, it was like I wouldn't even entertain any of those ideas or plans until at least I had like worked out or done something for myself, in terms of just like health.
Yeah. Well, I think the other thing that because I was there for some of this, was struggling with understanding diet and lifestyle in terms of consistency, right? So it's really easy to get 3 workouts in, or 4, and 5 workouts one week and then work out 2 times the next week. It's really easy maybe to eat healthy 4 days a week and then, eat really unhealthy for 3 days a week. So a lot of it is about consistency and sort of waking up and being accountable.
Well, I would say that like that was like a light switch went off when it came to consistency. Like I would just realize like, okay, if I'm going to get anywhere, like what's the point in doing this stuff 1 to 2 days a week when maybe I'll finally see what I want to see 3 years from now. But if I just like locked in and focused and like could commit 5-6 days a week to working out, eating right, and like doing everything, like I'll see results like super quick, and then all I have to do is maintain. And that's when I can maybe like pull back and work out just like 3 or 4 times a week, or like throw in a workout class that's like, maybe not doing much other than like just being active. But consistency was like the key, like getting 10,000 steps every single day. Like what's the point in doing it 3 days a week if the other 4 all I'm getting is like 5,000 steps? Like there's no point in doing it if you don't like fully commit.
Yeah, 100%. I mean, my goal, which you hit, is always try to guide my clients on 1 to 2% body fat change per month over an extended period of time is really amazing result, because 6 months out, 12 months out, 1%, it's a 6% body fat change. In 12 months, it's 12. If you got 2% a month, it's 12%. In 6 months, it's 24%. In 12 months. In your case, you went from about 35% down to 20% in a little under a year, in about 10 months, which is perfect, which is literally right around the 1.5% body fat change per month. And so it was really consistent. Also, I know you had some ups and downs and some personal things going on, as we all do. No one has a perfectly smooth year. And that's where consistency over time, I think, is really critical. And pushing through those rough spots, and pushing through holidays, and, pushing through some slips and some points in life where you're not as motivated, are also critical just to keep on path and, keep the sort of positive momentum